Okay, good afternoon. So I'm going to start doing this integration by parts and also by substitutions. So these are the two important techniques. So I'm going to start using the integration by parts formula first. Before I do that, I'd just like to mention again to request people to subscribe this channel so that you can continue support this channel's growth. And I appreciate that. Thank you. So I'm going to solve this using integration by parts. Before I do that, I'm going to write down the arc sine is the inverse of sine. So I just like to use -1. So now I'm going to move x squared become v. So because we know we want a u dv, so I'm going to put x to the power 3. So therefore, this is my v, and sine inverse of x is u. So now I'm going to use 1/3 of u times by v. So I'll put a v in the front. Sine inverse x, then integrated x to the power 3. I'm going to put it to the top, and the derivative of u, which is 1/1 minus x squared dx. So this is the... Okay, now we're going to solve for this integration. So I'm going to put it as I dash. So I'm going to start doing I dash is I want to integrate this. So I maybe have to use the substitution method. So I'm going to let u equal to square root of 1 minus x squared. So we can say u squared is 1 minus x squared. So therefore x squared is 1 minus u squared. So that leads to 2x, both are differentiate. Left-hand side 2x times by dx. Left-hand side is 2u times by u. du. Okay, so therefore 2 we cancelled out. So therefore my dx will equal to u negative u divided by x du. So I'm going to substitute I dash. So x to the power 3, which do the same, u times by negative. So I'll put a negative aside, u x du. So we got negative. So this 2 we cancel, become 2. Will be negative, and the u we cancel down, cancel out. So we got a x squared du, but we need to change x squared into 1 minus u squared du. So that leads to negative u minus 1/3 of u squared. And plus C1. So therefore will be negative u plus u to the power of 3, sorry. 3 plus C1. Right, let's substitute back. U is square root of 1 minus x squared. So therefore, I dash will be negative square root 1 minus x squared plus u squared, so will be 1 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2 and divide by 3 plus C1. So if I'm going to substitute into the I, so therefore I will be x to the power 3 sine inverse of x, and minus, so that's 1/3, and minus 1/3 of, copy this down, negative 1 minus x squared plus 1 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2 and plus c1. So now we're going to simplify to x to the power 3 sine inverse x divided by 3. So that's a positive. We'll put it into a x square, just half 3. And plus or negative 1 minus x squared to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 and plus c. So you can leave it as a fraction index, or you can leave it as a surd, or you can take it as some common factors, but I'm pretty sure I can leave as it is. So that's the solution. So if you like the solution, please give us the thumbs up. And this is quite a long process. And I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.